Most people try to sell GoHighLevel's AI voice agents by pitching and convincing business owners, but you don't have to. The better, easier way is letting AI demo and sell itself, so you don't have to. When business owners experience this, the sale is almost done. And when AI sells for you, well, guess what? You're not having to do hard selling, long sales calls, or complicated pitching. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So I'm not going to waste any of your time. We're just going to jump right into how this works and what to do. So essentially what I've done is I've created a free AI voice agent for you named Chanel. It's right down below. You can have it for free. You don't even have to sign up with my affiliate. And this agent is already set up and ready to go. But what I'm also going to show you how to do is to change this to any different niche so you can pitch really anybody, HVAC, chiropractor, law firm, you name it. We can change it in minutes so the self-selling demo works much better. And I want to let you know that what I'm about to show you is not just hype. There are actual beginners using this to land clients. If you don't believe me, check this out. So Shayla, tell us about how many clients you have currently and just walk us through this entire process.
Yeah, so far I have around 7. I started the program end of December, and we just rocking and rolling. They said, I can do so much with this guy. I said, well, are you open to talking more options to see how we can install him into your business? And they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
What you saw right there is just one of many different people and beginners coming in and using this self-selling sales style to land clients. Again, this is not a guarantee you're going to make money. You actually have to put in the work and build this the right way. But I'm telling you right now, I have never seen something this beginner friendly or works well with advanced people too, because the value is there. But here's the thing. I don't know how long this is going to last for, because what I'm seeing is so many business owners don't have this right now. And it's like this rush to get in where it's this unsaturated industry. And that's why it's really important for you to act as soon as possible on this, because right now it's relatively easy and it is wide open for the taking. So make sure that you go in and you act after this video. Now that you understand what this is and how powerful it is, let's go right into setting this thing up. So first things first, you will have this agent in the snapshot named Chanel. You will also have access to 2 different prompts. These are AI prompts that help you change said AI agent. But now what we're going to do is we're going to walk through changing this to any niche. So right here, we have Chanel for Evercrest Realty, who is set up to help real estate agents. So if you are in real estate, this will be great for you. Now, you can use a different niche demo on any niche, but it works better when it mimics their business and is their business name, because it gets into their head more and they can see it firsthand. So the first step really in this is identify who is your lead. Who are you about to talk to? Who are you about to send this to? So if it is a plumber, we're going to make it to a plumber agent. If it is a law firm, we'll make it to a law firm agent. So it just depends. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend we're talking to Mike's Plumbing, and we're going to turn this thing really quickly into a plumber AI voice agent. So what we're going to do is we're going to come right in here. Okay, we're going to go right back out. And guys, this is such a hack, what I'm about to show you. And if you have any questions during this video, drop down below so I can answer. So we're going to take Chanel. We're not going to restart. We're going to duplicate. This is how we make everything much faster. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come right in here and we're going to name this Lisa. Okay, we're going to change the name to Mike's Plumbing. We're going to quickly change the name just so it matches something different. Perfect. This one is good. We'll just do Hope for now. And we're going to change this to Lisa. Okay. You can pick any name you want for the sake of the video. I'm just going through that quickly just because when I demo both of them side to side, I want to see you how this really works. Because I'm telling you guys right now, we are going to change this agent that is for realty into a plumber like that. So you're going to see that it is very different. Okay. So then we're brought to number 2, which is agent goals. So this is where we train it on like its likeness and how it works. So first things first, we need to create a new knowledge base. So we're going to create new knowledge base. We're going to click this right here. We're going to call it Mike's Plumbing Knowledge Base. Okay, and we can actually just copy this right here. Or you can put a longer description, but it's not really needed. We're going to click Create. And then what we're going to do is we're going to skip all of these and go right to rich text because this is the best one, Mike's Knowledge Base. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take my prompt, okay, and add this in so we can save so much time. Otherwise, we'll spend a lot of time wasting it. But my goal is to save you time because your time is money and it is very valuable. So to get to this prompt, all you're going to do inside of AI agents is come over to Knowledge Base and come right down to niche knowledge base trainer. We're going to click this. Okay. We're going to go right to rich text. We're going to click this right here. And all you're going to do is you're going to copy this, copy, paste. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, whatever you use. They all work pretty much the same. And what we are going to do is we are going to type in plumber. You're just going to insert the niche just like that and click enter. Boom. Look at that. So we now have this amazing knowledge base already set up. If you don't know anything about this, okay, and you're like, what the heck is a knowledge base? It's basically the brain of the AI. So we're going to come back here and we're just going to paste everything there from we copied. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click save because now it's trained on plumbing. So I would also recommend if it's like a clientele, put in all their stuff. Like if they have files or their FAQs, you can put that in too. But this will help tremendously and should be more than enough. So boom, it is now done. We're going to come back here. Okay, we're going to come back to voice AI and then we're going to choose Lisa right here. Okay, we're then going to come to agent goals and we're going to select Mike's plumbing knowledge base. So we came back here, so we now have it. So now what we're going to do once we have that is we got to change this last thing. So we're going to get all of this right here. We're going to go back to whatever LLM you use. We're going to paste everything that I just got. Again, you can rewatch this part if I'm going too fast. And then we're just going to say this. I need this to be about plumbing instead of real estate. I need Chanel to be Lisa, and I need Mike's plumbing instead of Evercrest Realty. And you're going to click enter. And this is going to quickly take everything we have in here and switch it. Now, I do want to let you know that I also have this prompt in here. This is if you're starting completely from scratch. I put this in the snapshot that's free down below. Guys, these took me forever to build because trust me, they're a lot harder to build than you think. But this right here basically enables you to build it from scratch. But now we're going to wait for this to generate the full thing. So boom, here we got it all. We're going to come down and copy it. Okay, let's get all of this. Copies, you're going to take all of this, come back, and we're going to paste in place of this. So boom, we have all of it. Already have the calendar attached. We're going to click save. Again, you're going to want to add a different calendar if you're using a different clientele and they're your client. Again, I'm going to link a video at the end. This is going to be the complete AI voice agent tutorial if you're completely new. But for the sake of this video, we're not going to be putting a number in, but usually would select a number and attach it. But we're just going to be demoing this. So it's going to be a little different. So as you see here, Lisa and Chanel, you just saw me build these in minutes. Like you literally saw. I'm now going to test them to show you it works, then show you the self-selling part. So that is what we're going to do. So first things first, we are going to test Chanel, and then we're going to test Lisa to show you the difference. But before I do that, I just want to let you know, if you're more interested in high level and learning more about AI voice agents and how to sell them even deeper, I have a 30-day free trial of High Level down below. And when you sign up with that, you get access to my entire private community, okay? All of my resources, my trainings for beginners and advanced people, how to get clients systems, snapshots, fulfillment. I mean, everything you could possibly want, plus tons of different calls with real agency owners that you can attend pretty much every single day of the week. Sometimes we even have more than this, even one with me. We got literally it all. And all of this is free when you sign up with that 30-day free trial link down below. There's no one that gives away bonuses like me. This is actually worth tens of thousands of dollars. And you get all of this for free when you sign up with that link down below. So if that interests you, check that out. So first things first, let us demo Chanel so you can see how good this is. So first we're going to do this.
Hello, you've reached Evercrest Realty. This is Chanel. How can I help you today?
Hey, Chanel, how you doing? I'm just trying to sell my house.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Selling your house. Exciting. Let's get started. Could you share the property address with me? That'll help us set up a free evaluation to price and market it effectively.
Yes, 37489 White Lane House.
So that's 37.
So perfect. So I'm not going to go through that because I just made up that address, but it's going to walk me through right now selling me on real estate and getting a real estate agent out. It's going to walk through that same step. But what I want to see is how it converted to Lisa, because then at that point I can have Chanel for Evercrest Realty. So I have the real estate niche dialed in, and then I also have the plumbing niche dialed in. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly go back and change it. So do not mind anything I'm doing. You do not need to learn about this one part, but all I'm doing here is I am just quickly changing this so I can demo easy. By the way, the voice widget, which is this thing right here, is pretty much the exact same thing as just calling it on the phone. It's just easier to demo like this so you can see it. Otherwise, it's just through my phone and the sound is not as good. So we're going to do Lisa. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to quickly change this. We're not going to change the picture because we don't need to because this is just for the sake of the demo. But we're going to come right back here. We're going to refresh the page. All right, so now let's demo Lisa and let's see if this actually goes through.
Hello, you've reached Mike's Plumbing. This is Lisa. How can I help you today?
Hey, Lisa, how you doing? I am trying to fix my toilet.
Hi there. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Sounds like you're dealing with a bit of a plumbing headache. What's going on with the toilet? Let's see how we can get that sorted for you.
Can we send someone over to look at it?
Of course. Let me check our availability for you. Do you have a specific day or time in mind, or should I look for the soonest opening?
Look for the soonest opening.
All right, we've got some openings today, February January 2nd. The soonest slots are...
So we can just keep going and it will book the appointment because you guys have already seen my videos. We can just keep talking to it. My point is that already changed and can immediately work. And if you don't believe me, please get this snapshot, go down below and test it yourself. It's crazy how fast we can change these. Now you've got Chanel in Evercrest Realty. So you have the realty niche covered. And now we have Lisa in plumbing to cover the plumbing niche. So this is the kind of stuff you can do with these AI voice agents is you can just quickly go in and now you can pitch anyone in that niche. Now, extra brownie points because we're going to the last part of this, which is demoing this properly. But you can change this, and this is extra points. You don't have to, but you change it to the exact business you're trying to sell. So if it's someone actually called Mike's Plumbing, make it Mike's Plumbing because then they're like, oh my gosh, this is really legit. So this is how this last part's going to work. Once you basically get the exact niche in business and you create the AI voice agent to demo them, however you get in touch with them, again, I have extra videos on this. If you're wondering to drop a comment down below, I can send you on lead gen. But you get your client in or the person you want to demo. And essentially what you're going to do is you're going to send this to them. Either as a phone number they can call or a website like this where you say, hey, play around with this. They go in and the whole goal, just like Shayla was doing, is to have it sell itself. Now, here is the critical point. You're not having the AI agent try to pitch them. This is what so many people get wrong because then they go, well, this is cool, but this is a sales pitch for me. You want them because they're an expert in their niche to test it and see how it sells their clients. You see the big difference? One is pitching them directly. The other is pitching the people that they pitch. That's why this works so well, is because it's pitching the people that give them money, not them. Too many sales pitches. And this is the problem when you try to sell someone or a business on this is you're going, hey, buy this. Look how good this is for you. And you're just directly selling them. But this is indirectly selling them because when they demo it, they see how it can make them more money because it's demoing their clientele and selling their clientele. So that is all you have to do. You give it to them, walk through a sales process, book an appointment. That's all you have to say. Or, schedule a plumber consultation, whatever your niche has. And then it walks them through and they see how it works. And then from there, you can move either into a free trial, which again, I recommend you do if you're a complete beginner because it's just easier that way. And then from there, set it up well to the point where when they use it, they need it. And then from there, you can do this for any niche and just start hitting everyone. You don't even have to niche down. You can hit anyone because these AI voice agents are not hard to set up, especially with this snapshot and these awesome prompts and Chanel and Lisa and all this stuff we built out. It's yours and you get it for free and it makes it easier. So that's all you do. It's as simple as that. So if you guys have any questions, drop them down below because I'm telling you this will change everything. And if you guys want extra in-depth help with this, again, you get access to this entire community when you sign up with High Level, and I'd love to help you out. But I'm also super responsive in the comments too. So if you're at High Level, don't worry, I'll help you out down below. You can see on my other videos, I answer literally all my comments, and I'm here to help. I also giving this to you for free, and all I ask in return is that you actually use it and give me feedback, so I can keep giving you guys these freebies. So that's really it. It's as simple as that. Just make sure you go out and you start doing it now. That's really it. Now, I want to let you know that I'm going to be linking a video at the end of this video that's going to go in depth on AI voice agents in general, which I think you should watch and learn because it's going to show you everything. And from there, you'll learn more about this and it's just going to make you more dangerous and better at it. So I definitely recommend you watch the video that pops at the end of this one because it's going to give you that even more in-depth view of how AI voice agents work. And then from there, combining this with the self-selling demo, you're golden. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you want this, this AI voice agent and the snapshot, it's down below for free. If you're interested in High Level, that's also down below for free. And as always, make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.